Yeah, y'all better duck, boy. They getting scared. Right now we are exploring out west, shorty. Got the black trucks out, got the Beamers out. We got a whole little assembly line. Literally a whole assembly line. We assembling. This boy hit something every single day. Got my nephew outside, he still ain't get his windshield fixed. We ain't go get his kinda. We just go get that motherfucker when it's fixed. No, we got shakers out the ass. Back to back shakers. Got bleed in them in here. Starting out the video, man. What you on?
Words, girl. Got a little cuz with me, you know.
Bro, you know you shicey with the tech on.
You know, a little YN with me, you know.
Know that. We exploring out west today, though, y'all. So this gonna be a decent ass little video. Scatty.
We gonna bring one of them hoodies, man.
Go on, buddy.
Word, Devil.
What?
Devo.
These?
Devil.
Yeah. What size you is?
Devo.
I'm a extra large. Hey, y'all wouldn't believe me if I told y'all that we was already outside for 3 hours by the time I even picked up the camera. Nephew didn't pull it up. Fender, hood. I think that the bumper new damn now. Damn, man, you done fucked up the rap, gang. Young ass kids, man. Y'all can't be giving young kids these mopeds. They fucking them up.
We get in Chicago Avenue. Just fuck that bitch up back to the crib. We got some prostitutes for to meet us.
My time has come.
Yeah, they said they gonna
Black truck Reek didn't pull. Nah, his ass didn't even pull it. Hey, I'm talking about some he didn't pull it up. Like this video ain't like, boy, we been outside for 4 hours already.
No count.
Got my
Ain't got
boy.
shit accomplished yet. It's
Hey,
loading though.
If y'all be needing black trucks, man, comment right now if y'all be needing black trucks, man. I'm gonna send his ass over to you. And y'all pay better be good.
Best prices in the city. You can fuck in my trucks. You can suck in my trucks. Everything confidential.
What y'all doing naked out here in the trenches, boy? Y'all ass out here too.
No dash cams in his truck, so
Oh,
it's
tweaking.
So it's good, man. Y'all to be good with y'all little sneaky link,
Yeah, man.
whatever y'all want to do.
Dipping with a dancer, man. I done caught one of y'all in that motherfucker with a transmission before. Huh? I'm telling you now, nigga. January 1st, 2026, nigga. You better ZL me, I promise you. One of these niggas, I swear to God.
Oh
Yeah, right now.
Oh yeah, I gotta start. Hold up. Let me find out his bro.
I ain't never got a black truck before. Hell nah.
Nigga booked my truck and he had one of them with him, folks. I don't know their relationship, but he definitely had one of them with him. Bro.
That was damn near his little cousin.
Oh, okay.
I can't even hang out with my cousin if you like that. Man, it's just like that shit just gonna be
what's
weird.
this?
If y'all need a little car, man, they got damn near 50, 60 cars right here.
I ain't gonna say my homie got some lemons, but he'll sell you a motherfucking orange.
If you want something that's clean, that's just go get you, that's got them in her.
This ain't that shit Matilda Daddy be selling though. No kitties with an oil pen.
And if you want something clean, titled, man, y'all just gotta come with some more paint. Whole color. Y'all see something that y'all like. Cicero and West End. What up, buddy? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he done owns 5 years. How long?
Willie Auto, man. Not yet, nah. Alright. Y'all let's better keep up. What y'all doing?
Exactly. What the fuck?
Oh yeah, you tweaking.
150 horsepower.
Hey man, you better watch that door, boy. This boy outside. We finna explore out west for the first time for y'all boys. It's the first video and we doing it in a ZL1. I took y'all over here once for a little takeover and shit. Oh! Yeah, y'all better duck, boy. They getting scared. Damn, man. Cockblocking. What you want, cockblocking, man?
We all going, folks, because this nigga train car just stopped in the middle of the fucking block and nobody could just move, folks. We not even with y'all.
It ain't turning on.
I don't know what's wrong with this shit. He keep talking about this shit while moving or something. Y'all in a red light right now? I think y'all like the red light ahead of us.
Oh, y'all see. Bro, spank that bitch, boy. Bow now. Bow now. Y'all, I know I had to bring Neff outside. Ooh. Hey, it's a camera, folks. It's a camera, boy. Hell no, I ain't turning. I'm in the wrong car. You talking about some real plate cover. That bitch on my motherfucking cat. Stay in school. Now we finna have to try to catch up with these boys. Caught him. Oh yeah, KD's tweaking. Oh, that joint sound crazy. I ain't never cut up with bro with track. Bro, I can't remember if that's a 76 or 86 or 87 or I can't even remember what that is, bro. What you on, buddy? That motherfucker sound good.
It's quiet, it's straight.
I never caught your ass in traffic before. That bitch sound crazy. Oh! It sound like something just flew from that joint. Oh! What is they doing? They just did a little wreck. These boys is tripping out here, boy. These boys is clowning. Hey, I heard of Wales, but I never been. Hey, this bitch one of them, boy. There's so many people outside, boy. Out south, you would never see this many motherfuckers outside right now. Brother, if you go south, east, whatever, motherfuckers do not be outside. Alright, y'all, so we finna do one of those first launches in this car. Nothing too crazy. On a residential street in Mexico. I just feel like these, bro, these is 325s on this car and they still be spinning out. Like, this car spin out until I get all the way up to like 40, 45. And it's still spinning up at that. It just catch by that time. Like, I thought this would be better than my cat, but my cat, mine run Mickey Thompson's on that joint, so my cat run a little bit more decent. They go my twin. Twin, what you on, twin? See, folks, this shit just keep, I don't know what it is, bro. Shit don't want to hook. Then we got two people that work from Vice outside too with us, so they outside vlogging too. They ass went to O Block. They said, man, this shit is not how I thought it was. This shit trash. Like, bro, they ass came out with us and they said, like, bro, this is damn near the most fun that they had. Said he went to O Block, boy, that bitch was dry as a motherfucking, dry as my motherfucking little cousin lips. That nigga don't use Carmex. Hey, your motherfucking brakes sound just like mine, boy. Out west, it's low-key decent, bro. I feel like out west, a lot of motherfuckers, they more so money oriented.
Both going to the brake shop tomorrow.
Really just all be just worried about money, bro. Like, of course you might have haters here and there.
Hey, slow up. We gonna let everybody get together, then we just gonna fuck it up.
Alright. Alright. That garage long as hell. That garage door just looks so damn long. My shit don't look that damn long. little cuz. Yeah, yup, E-way. What you say?
I'm behind you right now.
Alright, back. Oh yeah, Rick tweaking in that black truck. Y'all just seen that boy? His ass nuts. I wonder if you finna go down. Oh no, I think he was talking about going south. Ooh, shit. We just got the mopeds popping up, shorty. That bitch down there brand spanking new. So good going through fake turns like that. I should get off on 59th because they was already on my ass instead of 55th. Oh no, I think on this side you down there, yeah, yo ass down there could only get off 63rd. Yeah, nah, I'm just go 55th. You can hit that bitch on 87, boy. Damn, that's nah, for that shit too damn loud.
That shit is hard.
He's finna lose that bitch.
Oh. The night off like that. Light love vlog. Decided to pick up the camera a little bit late, but y'all still got to see out west. Right now we on 55th right now. Washington Park came back up over here. Yeah though, y'all, man, I appreciate y'all boys for tuning in to this video. I'm gonna catch y'all boys on the next one, gang. Peace.